In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Freshsales with WhatsApp. To get started, sign into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're ready to begin the connection process. Before moving forward, it's helpful to understand that this setup uses the WhatsApp business platform through Freshworks. That means this is not the same as linking a regular personal WhatsApp account, or even the standard WhatsApp business mobile app. This integration is designed for customer communication, CRM workflows, and support for multiple team members. After logging in, head over to your admin settings and click on Channels. This is where Freshsales manages the communication methods you can connect to your account. If you're setting this up for the first time, take a moment to review the available channel options so you know you're in the right place before continuing. Next, go to Messaging, and then click on WhatsApp. This opens the area specifically intended for WhatsApp integration inside Freshworks. At this point, you're moving from general account settings into the actual messaging configuration. If your account supports the feature, you should see the WhatsApp setup option available here. From there, click Start Setup. This is where the main connection begins. You'll continue by setting up your business account for WhatsApp inside the Freshworks flow. If you already have a Meta Business Manager or business portfolio, it's generally recommended to use your existing business account instead of creating a new one. This can help keep your business assets organized and avoid confusion later. There's also an important requirement to keep in mind with your phone number. If the number you want to use is currently connected to WhatsApp Messenger or the WhatsApp Business app, you may need to migrate or remove that number first before it can be used with the WhatsApp Business platform. This is a key part of the process, and it often causes delays if it's overlooked. One of the most important things to remember is that if your goal is proper sales CRM integration, you should use the WhatsApp Business platform rather than trying to connect the ordinary app directly. The Business platform is the option intended for business scale communication, automation, and customer relationship management inside Freshsales. Once you complete the setup flow, your Freshsales account will be positioned to handle WhatsApp conversations in a more structured and scalable way. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.